Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In today's video, I will be showing you how to run YouTube ads. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and type Google Ads. Now scroll down and here open this link. Now, if you don't have an account, then you have to create your account. And if you already have an account, then tap on this Start Now. Okay, now you have to create your campaign. Just follow these steps. Enter your details step by step. I am just filling dummy data. You have to enter your website URL, your phone number, and application like YouTube. Now you have to press Next. Here you have to add your website name. Press Next again and Next here. You can select which type of conversation you want. I'm selecting more views on YouTube. After writing your website here, now click on the Next button. Now wait for until the scan is completed. Okay, from here you can choose the device, mobile or desktop. Now click on this Next button. Okay, from here you can choose your basic goal. I'm choosing this one and now click on Next. Okay, you can choose what you want to focus on and from here select the video. From here you can add some more data into it and that's how I'm adding some dummy data here. Okay, now click on this Next button. Here you can choose the language and the location of your customers. You can also set the price here. Now click on this Next button. From here you can select the gender and age of your customer alongside their parental status. Now click on this Next button. Okay, from here you can select the specific interest people that you want that they might see your ads. So I am selecting some of the interested fields that I wanted and that's how. Now click on this Next button. Here you have to adjust the budget. You can see the estimated budget on the right side and you can adjust the budget according to your interest. Now click on this Next button. Here you can review all the details that you have just added and here are the some details. Okay, now click on this Proceed to Billing button. At last, you have to add your bank credentials here so you can proceed with your account payment. After completing your detail and clicking on the Proceed button, you will be able to generate your YouTube ads and then you are good to go. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please comment down below us and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.